every week I'm going to have an overview of the topics and I'm going to place it in the announcement. So we're going to read through the announcement. I'm going to add a little bit of nuances to it to show you where to go or what to do in certain instances if there's any confusion. CWV, Christian Worldview, is a unique course as it's designed as an introduction to worldviews in general, but it focuses on the Christian worldview in particular since we are a Christian university. This course is not an attempt to convert, but rather to inform students of some of the basic worldview families and the Christian worldview in contrast to those. It's not a difficult course, contrary to what many believe, but it's like riding a bicycle. You do have to put some effort forth. You have to pedal. Otherwise, well, you know what happens on a bike. First of all, read the Topic 1 overview. It's a quick summary of much of what you need to know. If you hope to do well, read over this announcement and the topic overviews week to week. The class introductions are found in the discussion forums. Let's go there. I'm going to click on that. This is the class introduction. You click on that, and then you're going to post in the class introduction, read my bio, and then post your own. That is not for participation credit. It is strictly to get to know your peers, and also it's part of the enrollment process for them to see that you have posted something in the class introduction and the summary of course content. Next, look over the course syllabus. Everything that you need to know right here is on the left side of Halo, and your class resources. Here is the syllabus. The class resources are here. You can look over them. I have added some extra resources. They say optional, but they're going to be what you can use to help understand more about the class. Okay? So everything you need is listed on the left side of Halo and your class resources on your right. You can also get them on your right, but you may want to have it all together. When you click on the syllabus tab, you're going to see download syllabus right here. You can click on that and you can go to save as, and you can save it as a PDF. Okay? If you want to have it printed out, I know lots of students like to do that. The textbook, The Beginning of Wisdom, An Introduction to Christian Thought and Life, that is on the side. That is in the class resources. Let's see, let's go to the syllabus, and then we can go to the class resources. It is right here, but also when you go to the topic 1 and you go down here, it's going to be on your right side every week. Everything that you need to know is in here. Let's go back to the announcement. Also, I put a link to it right here. Just click on this. Chapters 1 and chapters 2. Terms in bold print are defined for you. Simply click on that word. You can print each chapter by right-clicking anywhere in the text, then choose print. You may print a copy or save it as a PDF file on your computer. The topic overviews also have a printer icon at the top right from which you may also print or save as a PDF. If you need a Bible, consider using a free app such as the Blue Letter Bible or Bible Gateway. I regularly use Bible Gateway, and for this class, I find that it is the easiest. All of my sources are cited via Bible Gateway. Okay, if you like a printed version and you would like to have one in your hands, that is fine too. I have one as well. Let me get my Bible over here. It is an NLT, and I like to read. That's my newest one that I'm working through for this year. The 3 versions that you are going to need are NIV, ESV, or NASB. Those are the 3 you can choose from. You're not going to use all 3, but you can choose from one of those as your main reading material. Okay, important, take the pre-assessment by Friday. Please watch this announcement. I cannot express more than just watch the announcement before you message me. I think I pretty much go over everything that you need to know here. Just attempt it for 25 points. If you have problems, grab a screenshot of the issue and upload it into the Dropbox. You will receive credit for any attempt. Study guides, which are on the sides here. Let me open the link here. You're going to see them. Every week you have a study guide. Print that out. You can use this for the quiz. You can You can't really go from tab to tab. It will close on you. So be prepared. This is printed out. This can be printed out. Write your answers down and use that for your quiz. Do not use outside internet sources. If you can't find an answer, you can ask me. Quizzes cover much of the same material as the study guide. Not all of it completely, but most of it. If you have the study guide and a Bible handy, when you take the quiz, you will be fine. Every quiz has 15 multiple choice true and false questions. It's timed for 30 minutes. If you have accommodations, it is 45 minutes, except for the final, which you will have 30 questions. Once it is started, you must complete it. Do not start it until you're ready. Mark only one answer for each question. Quizzes seem to work best on Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Do not have multiple tabs open, and use your study guide if you'd like. Lobesprite is provided on all major assignments for your use. You can open the report to see what is underlined as similar, but be careful that the work you submit is your own work, and anything copied is properly cited and quoted. If you are using quotes, use them very sparingly, like one sentence. Please look over the attached GCU similarity report before putting it through. You can submit it a second time. Please stay away from Google or AI assistance. All the helps you need are here in the classroom and in the library for you. I ask students to stay away from AI. My policy is on another announcement. You can check that out at your earliest convenience. Assignments are either worksheets, topic 1 through 7, except for 5. 5 is the essay. Worksheets have instructions. Do not delete them. I cannot accept it. If you delete the instructions, only add your responses in the boxes provided. The templates are provided for the structure of your paper, so keep all subheadings. These are different than the help aid templates that I give you. The help aid templates, I have added extra information in there. I've put the rubric into the answers and tried to help. If you have any questions about how I grade, I have examples of in-text citations and references. Please use that. Submitting assignments is straightforward, but we all make mistakes. If you need to resubmit or the due date is passed, contact me via messages up here and I will reset the assignment Dropbox for you. All assignments must be submitted through the designated assignment box or Dropbox, which is what I call it, not via the messages or my work email. Please note, I don't accept PDFs for any assignment except the pre or the post assessment certificates. Please use Microsoft Docs template given to you each week and save it under a different name. I will ask you to resave it if you turn it into a PDF. Do not use outside internet sources. Do not use Google or Google Scholar. Also, for the purposes of this class, please do not use any editing programs. That means also paraphrasing programs with AI, such as Grammarly, ChatGPT, WordTune, etc. Please do not use any other editing programs with AI. Okay. 2 discussion forums are open each week. These are open forums, so please jump in and respond to whoever you like, even if the post was not directed to you. Unless a personal question was asked of someone, and I cannot respond to everyone. I wish I could. So please read my responses to other students, and you can jump in the conversation. They're added for more discussion for everyone. Think of it as if we were all sitting at Starbucks together, discussing among ourselves, but nothing political. Please do not post any links or attachments to your replies unless otherwise noted in the thread. See my DQ expectations on the Padlet. Here is the Padlet. You will have to scroll to the right to see the full Padlet. See? Here, can scroll down here and it will tell you topic 1, the assignment, and then you can get to the DQ expectations. Or you can look here, class policies. I have more about the DQ here and which versions to use. Everything is here. So this is like a one-stop shop. If you have any questions about my policies, weekly reminders, how to earn 100% in the discussion forum, it's right here. Pre-assessment. This is the welcome video that the CWV Crucial information announcement goes to, so please look that over. Okay, let's get back to the announcement. Basic components of worldview is an exercise to help you express your own views. I'm not going to take too much time, but DQ1, check that out. DQ2, you can use all of these, any of these movies to choose from. If you don't like any of them, see my movie options in the Padlet map. For your analysis, you have to identify a worldview family that is asked in the prompt: pantheist, atheist, or theist. No need for references. You can put in a reference. You can practice your citations or references. If you have quoted somebody from the video, you can try and do a citation. There is a lot of work to do, and it might be overwhelming this week, but my aim is to bring refreshment to you, and this is instead of weariness. Don't feel overwhelmed. Please contact me via messages, our email system, or you can give me a call. I'm looking forward to these weeks of exploration and discovery with you. Enjoy the first week of class, everyone. Please acknowledge down here when you have read it. Thanks. Bye.